Introduction to Mercury. 1. What is Mercury? 1. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system. 1. It's named after the Roman messenger god, Mercury, due to its fast movement across the sky. 2. Position in the solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, with an average distance of about 58 million kilometers, 36 million miles. Physical characteristics. 1. Size and mass. Mercury has a diameter of approximately 4,880 kilometers, 3,032 miles, making it about 38% the size of Earth. 1. It's the second densest planet after Earth. 2. Surface and composition. Mercury's surface is similar to that of the Moon, covered in craters and composed mainly of silicate rock and metallic elements. 2. The planet has a large iron core, which makes up about 85% of its radius, contributing to its high density. Orbit and rotation. 1. Orbital period. Mercury takes about 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun, making its year the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. 2. Rotation. Mercury has a unique rotational pattern called a 3-to-2 spin orbit resonance. 2. It rotates 3 times on its axis for every 2 orbits around the Sun. 2. This means one day, sunrise to sunrise, on Mercury lasts about 176 Earth days. Temperature extremes. 1. Day and night temperatures. Mercury experiences the most extreme temperature variations in the solar system. 1. During the day, temperatures can soar up to 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, they can plummet to 180 degrees Celsius, 290 degrees Fahrenheit. 1. The lack of a significant atmosphere means there's no insulation to moderate these temperatures. Atmosphere. 1. Exosphere. Mercury doesn't have a true atmosphere but rather a thin exosphere composed of atoms blasted off its surface by the solar wind and micrometeoroid impacts. 1. This exosphere contains hydrogen, helium, oxygen, sodium, calcium, and potassium. Magnetic field. 1. Weak magnetic field. Despite its small size, Mercury has a surprisingly strong magnetic field, about 1% as strong as Earth's. 1. Scientists believe this is due to its partially molten iron core. Exploration. 1. Space missions. Mercury has been visited by 2 spacecraft, Mariner 10, 1974-1975. The first mission to Mercury, which mapped about 45% of the planet's surface and discovered its magnetic field. Messenger, 2004-2015, a more comprehensive mission that orbited Mercury, mapping the entire surface and providing detailed information about its composition, magnetic field, and thin exosphere. Upcoming mission. BepiColombo, launched in 2018 by ESA and JAXA, is set to arrive at Mercury in 2025 to study its magnetic field, magnetosphere, and surface. Interesting facts. 1. Closest planet to Earth at times. Despite being the closest to the Sun, Mercury can sometimes be the closest planet to Earth, depending on the planet's positions in their orbits. 2. No moons or rings. Mercury doesn't have any moons or rings, likely due to its proximity to the Sun and its small gravitational influence. Conclusion. 1. Why study Mercury? 1. Understanding Mercury helps scientists learn more about the formation and evolution of the solar system, especially regarding rocky planets and the conditions close to a star.